how to activate your Cash App card. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I'll simply guide you on how you can activate your Cash App card, so just make sure to watch this video till the very end. If you want to activate your Cash App card, all you have to do is simply first of all go ahead and then make sure to launch Cash App. Let's say you had applied and ordered a Cash App before, and now your Cash App or Cash Card has actually arrived, and now maybe you want to just go ahead and then basically actually activate your Cash App card. It is very simple to do so. All you have to do is simply first of all go ahead and open a Cash App, come to this little cash card icon over here, then you'll be able to see the card that you verified. So then what you want to do is simply go ahead and then tap on that card, and when you tap on that card, automatically it is going to ask you to simply activate your Cash App card. When you tap on activate, enter your card details and the Cash App card will get successfully activated. This way you can activate your Cash App card. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any questions, then feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.